Hello and welcome to Vinchin. While traditional backup solutions are adept at restoring entire virtual machines, there are times when you need more precision, times when you only require specific files or emails within a VM backup. In this video, we will guide you through the process of using Granular Restore to efficiently extract individual objects from your Exchange Online backup. Here we have a backup of an email in the Exchange Online, and we are going to restore specific objects from it. Go to Restore and select the recovery point. Choose the object, for example, Inbox, Drafts, Archive, Conversation History. Click on the specific email or object you want to restore and add it to the shopping cart. In the shopping cart, check the object you need to restore. Select the target organization, recovery method. Select Strategies or directly click Next. Submit the job. Now the restore job begins. Now the restore job complete, you can check your restore email in your email box. It has been restored successfully. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching.